It's 06 layout. 01 and 06 layout in this buildings are 3-bedroom apartment, brand new units. You will be the first tenant to move. Here is the entrance of the unit. The building construction is amazing, finishing is amazing, high-end finishing, coming with underground parking. You can have a look on the size of the guest washroom. In this building, once they have done the construction, the most important thing, they have considered the size of the units and the size of the bathroom, size of the kitchen. It's amazing, you will love it. You can have a look on the living hall. It's huge, big size, completely bright. Apartment sizes are huge. Even if it's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, the living hall size is very huge. It's coming with balconies. In 3 bedroom you have 2 balconies. You can have a look on the size of the balcony. It's huge, huge size of the balcony. You can have a look here. The view is amazing. You have the Reem Island view. You have the water view from here. Complete panoramic view you will get for the mangrove site. You will love this building. It's coming with underground parking on Najdha Street, next to the City Bank. You can see the size of the living hall. Now we are going towards the bedrooms. First we will visit the kitchen. Kitchen is here on your left hand side. Huge big size kitchen, coming with very nice color of tiles. And the good thing, it is coming with the window for the ladies. They will love it. It's central gas. Place for the washing machine. You can see the size of the balcony. This is the view from your kitchen. Kitchen is very nice. You have extra space to keep your fridge and all. Then we will go on the right side. It's very good size. Maid's room. You can have a look on the size of the maid's room. And it's coming with huge big size washroom with the shower, standing air shower with curtain. This is the corridor. On the first right hand side we have the standard washroom, good size again, with the bathtub. It's very nice size. And on left hand side we have our first bedroom, huge big size. It's good size. You can keep your cabinets. You can fix your bed. This one is the bed wall. You can keep your cabinets on this side. This is the media wall for the bedroom. All rooms are coming with a separate AC control. On this side we have our second bedroom with the balcony. You can have a look on the size of the bedroom. In that area you can keep your cabinets. This is your bedroom wall and this is your media wall. Then we will go towards it's with the panoramic windows. You have the view from here, you have the view from here. You can have a look. It's the same view which we have I have shown you from the living room. And then you have more panoramic view from here. You will love it. The sun rise from here and sunset will be that side. You can have a look on the size, the view. It's nice. You have more view from here. You can see the sea also. You can see the sea. Now I will take you to the master bedroom. You can have a look on this is the master bedroom. Huge big size. Here you can keep your cabinet. Even 6-door, 8-door cabinet you can be fixed here. And then you have more view from here, from your master bedroom. You can see the size of the master bedroom. Central AC, underground parking, central gas. In the heart of the city. You can see the size of the bathroom. It seems like the size of the bedroom. It's very, very huge size with the bathtub.